Ashram Sanctuary is located in Victoria, Australia. It is full of flowers with beautiful natural fragrance and supplies them on demand for wreaths, bouquets and decorations. These include native Australian flowers and garden roses. No artificial fragrances or chemicals are sprayed on these flowers or foliage. You can visit our store online to buy our wonderful creations. We make wreaths, bouquets, table centerpiece arrangements, saplings and potted plants. Proceeds of the sales help us in feeding and housing the orphans on the property. For more information, visit www.aydf.com.au.